From tiny fluffballs to massive powerhouses, the cat family comes in all sizes. Let's scale them up. Black-footed cat, 4.4 pounds. Pallas cat, 6.6 pounds. Margay, 7.9 pounds. House cat, 8.8 pounds. It's like holding a bowling ball. Asian leopard cat, 14.3 pounds. Jaguarundi, 15.4 pounds. Canadian lynx, 20.9 pounds. Serval, 26.5 pounds. Bobcat, 30.9 pounds. That's roughly the weight of one bicycle. Ocelot, 33.1 pounds. Caracol, 34.2 pounds. Clouded leopard, 38.6 pounds. Snow leopard, 99.2 pounds. Cheetah, 132.3 pounds. A perfect weight for high-speed sprinter. Leopard, 165.3 pounds. Cougar, 176.4 pounds. Black jaguar, 209.4 pounds. Jaguar, 220.5 pounds. Lion, oops, the scale is broken. Let's change it to the industrial one. 440.9 pounds. That's 50 times of a normal house cat. Tiger, 551.2 pounds. This is as heavy as a motorbike, and the largest cat of them all. No matter the weight, each of these cats plays a vital role in keeping ecosystems balanced.